Unlock the art of crafting perfect licorice candies with our premium licorice production line engineered for precision, speed, and unbeatable flavor. Full automatic, high-level automatic in every stage, mixing, extruding, shaping, drying, polishing, and packaging, saving manpower. Recipe flexibility, create classic licorice, vibrant fruit blends, or modern sugar-free options, customize flavors, colors, and textures effortlessly. Massive output, capacity up to 500 kg per hour of glossy, chewy licorice with uniform quality and irresistible appeal. Hygiene first, constructed with 304 or 316 stainless steel, meets global food safety standards, and features easy clean designs for zero downtime. Smart tech integration, intuitive touchscreen controls, real-time monitoring, and energy-saving modes to optimize efficiency. Whether you are a confectionery giant or an innovative startup, scale your licorice game with speed and sophistication. Ready to sweeten your success? Call now for a tailored consultation.